probably the world's biggest a cappella nerd. My name is Deke Sharon, and I've made an entire life out of contemporary a cappella. Well, when I do a workshop with students, I like to help them with rhythm, and I like to help them with tuning, and I like to help them connect with the song.
If you ever see me and my elbows get high, that means the tempo's a little bit off. I'm really trying to show the tempo. I don't think it'll be a problem for two reasons. Number one, Peter, and number two, Peter. This is Peter Huang. His talents as a vocal percussionist are second to none. Hey, Katherine, come.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
All the students are very excited and eager to meet you and work with you.
Should we do this?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Here we go, people. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Some nights I stay up, cashing my bella. Some nights I fall in a draw.
The thing that matters most of all about any music is that it is heightened emotional communication.
Stop. How can any of you sing the chorus of the song and stand still? I don't understand.
He's so full of energy, even though he only got 3 hours of sleep and is super jet lag. And I think that's a big inspiration to us to also match that energy.
When we're singing a cappella, there's no net, there's no grid. Any singers who get out of tune, out of rhythm, or whatever, the entire thing is like a house of cards and it can fall apart.
I'm afraid of singing the wrong note.
Well, probably they can't tell, but I would be super nervous, so that's really bad.
Or like switching keys.
Oh yeah, big one.
Yeah, but we'll try to make sure that that doesn't happen.
It is really challenging, but when it happens right, it's a kind of magic that you can't find anywhere else. NYU Shanghai is a very special place. NYU is one of the world's greatest universities, so all of the students who are here, you know they're talented. I love the idea that the motto of NYU Shanghai is "the world is your major."
So excited! On our way to ECNU for our performance! Are you guys excited?
Yeah! A cappella is such an important part of the liberal arts because the thing with a cappella is there's nothing else. There's just you. Your body, your voice, your facial expressions, and the person on this side of you and the person on that side of you.
What I like most about my students is that they've created a family amongst the singers.
It's just like this, doing your linear algebra assignment when you're on a shuttle. That strike a balance between music and work.
It's 30 minutes, don't waste that time.
They rely on each other and support each other emotionally and musically.
It's a challenge. It's a challenge. But a fun challenge. It's fun. It's fun.
Yeah, this is a problem. So we're still missing a lot of people.
You better bring all of it. You better not leave any of it. You better bring all of it.
So don't forget to grab that mic, because you'll come out and then you're gonna be like, oh no, I forgot to grab my mic.
Nobody wants you to be perfect. At the end of the day, you want a story, you want to feel something. That's why we choose the arts.
We're premiering this song, first time ever to be sung.
So you first need to feel it on stage, and that's when we get chills, that's when we get shivers. We just want our art to be human and real. For me, one of the most rewarding things is when I see a young student go from being fearful, being worried about being perfect, to realizing they're really perfect the way that they are. And what the world wants is for them to just shine being themselves. That is the real unlocking of human potential, a gift that they will carry with them the rest of their lives.
It was great to do some dancing on the stage.
We feel good.
We didn't have any accident happen